Hello, welcome back to my magical world of math. Today I'm going to teach you how to write the multiplication tables of 2-digit and 3-digit without memorizing. Without wasting the time, let us start. Watch the video till the end. You can learn how to write the tables of 2 and 3-digit without by hearting or memorizing. Okay, first we'll write the multiplication tables of 23. Okay, 23. 23. It is having two numbers, 2 and 3. What we have to do, see, we have two numbers like this, right? First we'll write here the tables of 2, okay? Right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. We wrote the multiplication tables of 2 now. Which one is one more tables? 3, 2 and 3. We'll write the tables of 3 also now. See how beautifully by using these two tables, we can write the tables of 23. Write 3 tables. 3, 3 2s are 6, and then 9, 3 4s are 12, and then 15. I'm writing just next to that, okay? 18, and then it is 21, then it is 24, and then it is 27 and 30. Isn't it? This is the tables of 2 and also the tables of 3. Now see the magic of tables 23. Just I'll draw a line here, okay? Just to draw a line for this, I separated this number. Why I separated? I'll tell you. Here, some numbers are there. Here, no numbers. I'll write it as 0. If you don't write 0 also, it's okay. But I'll write 0. So, how to write 23 now? See. Okay, now we have the tables of 2. We have the tables of 3. Both we wrote it. Okay, now we write 23. What you should do? Add these two numbers, okay? Here there is a line. Those numbers we'll write later. First we'll take these numbers. Add it. 2 plus 0. 2. Write this 3 as it is. Okay? That is 23. 4 plus 0. That is 4. Write this 6 as it is. Okay? 6 plus 0. That is 6. Write 9 as it is. I'm writing these numbers as it is, which is in the units place. Means what I'm doing, units place numbers of the second tables, I'm writing it as it is, and all the tens place numbers, I'm adding it to the previous tables. Isn't it? Now you see. Till now we had 0. Now we have 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Write 9 here. Write this 2 as it is. Write units place number as it is. 10 plus 1. Write 11. 5 you have to write as it is. Now here 12 plus 1. That 12 plus 1 is 30 and this 8 as it is. All the units place numbers as it is. Okay. 14 plus 2. That will be 14 plus 2. 16 and units place number is 1. Write it as it is. Now you see. 16 plus 2, that is 18. 18 you write this 4 as it is. And next coming to 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Write 7 as it is, which is in the units place. Here you see 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. And what is there at the end? 0. See now. Tables 2 we wrote. And we wrote the tables of 3 separately. 2 tables, 3 tables. Now what we have done? Units place numbers we have written as it is. And tens place number we have added to the tables 2, which is in the leftmost side. So units place number as it is, tens place added to the previous tables so that now we have got the tables of 23. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46 up to 10 times 230.